Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7594. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights wrapped around the HID headlights. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.